Just like fire, burning up the way, rocking the world up for just one day. Watch this madness, colorful charade. No one can be just like me anyway. Just like magic, I'll be flying free. I'ma disappear when they come for me. No one can be just like me anyway.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I have two important things to tell you guys about rice water. Okay, so the first thing, you guys, rice does have protein in it. So if you're protein sensitive, you need to be careful. Maybe only use it like once a month. So and also when you're using this, write down the effects that rice water is having on your hair. You know, write down the positives, and if it's any negatives, write that down. Very important. And if you see that you're having a lot of positive results, then you can increase it. But it's very important, do not overuse rice water, you guys. And it's important for you guys to write down your results so you can know if rice water is having a positive effect on your hair or negative. Because one thing you got to remember, everything does not work the same for everybody. Okay, now a lot of people are having great success with rice water, but that doesn't mean that you will. So it's important for you guys to do research. I have another video where I answer questions about rice water. I will link that, and I will have it at the end of the video. Please check that out. Please do your research on this before you start, because everybody is not going to get the same results. So that's why it's important to write down, you know, the positive results and the negative results. If you get more negative results, then do not do rice water on your hair. If you get more positive, then keep going. You have to be consistent. It's not going to happen overnight. Okay, you guys. So the second thing that you guys need to know about rice water is that, you know, since it has some protein in it, you need to moisturize your hair after using rice water. Very important. You need to moisturize. You can do a deep conditioner, a moisturizing deep conditioner that does not have protein in it. Very important, because you need to put the moisture back in your hair. Okay, make sure that you moisturize your hair. Very, very important, because if you're putting too much protein in your hair, that could lead to breakage, and you do not want that. So you have to balance that moisture and protein out. I don't feel like rice water has a lot of protein, but if you're protein sensitive, it can make a big difference. But even if you're protein sensitive or not, please moisturize your hair after using rice water, you guys. So I just wanted to come and let you guys know that that's very important. Do not overuse, and please moisturize your hair after using this, and write down your results, you guys. So you guys, I hope this was very helpful. If it was, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed to the channel, and if you have any other questions about rice water, you guys, please leave me a comment. And like I said, I got a couple of other videos about rice water. I will link them in the video, but check those videos out, because it's important that you also do your research. So you guys, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.